In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an account on Outlook. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the top left and select on the Microsoft icon just like so. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down here until you see the little cog icon, and you just want to go ahead and press on that, and then it is going to go ahead and open up our settings. From here, scroll down until you see accounts. Then you will then see a option that does say add account right over here. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it like so. And from here, you want to go ahead and press on add an email account just like this. And you guys could add a Google account if you want, or if you do have a work email, then you want to go ahead and enter in your work email right over here as well. So it really is that simple. And if you are adding a Google account, then it's going to give you like a little sign in message right over here. So just go ahead and press on continue and then press on select all. Then go ahead and press on continue one more time, and then it will now begin to connect your Gmail account to Outlook. And then from here, you guys could switch between your accounts, and then you could use multiple accounts on Outlook. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.